Now let's move to the next section, that is match the columns. Over here I have 3 columns, that's A, B and C. Now in A I have the content that needs to be related to B, but in this case the content can be related to one or more sub-content that's present over here, and the answers will be written in the C column. So over here the first one is the upper jaw. Let's just read for the options over there what they are. The first option in the B column is that they have fins on the body, that it has an outer skeleton, it can fly in air, is an immovable joint, it protects the heart, or it shows very slow movement, or has a streamlined body. Now the upper jaw is nothing but the cranium, and I explained it to you in skull that it is a immovable joint. It's a fixed joint that protects your brain inside it. So the first answer would be for D. So I'll write 1D over here. The next one is for fish. Now since we don't have this option anymore, we'll just put a strike against that. The next option is fish. The fish has fin on the body. Well, that's true. So let me write the second option. The first answer would be the A statement. Let's just analyze for any other points that might be present. The fish has an outer skeleton? No. Fish can fly in air? No, of course not, because fishes are present only in water. Fish protects heart? No. Shows very slow movement? No. But has a streamlined body? Yes, it does have a streamlined body, because I explained to you that the head of the fish and the tail of the fish are small compared to the rest of its body. That means it has a tapering shape, just like this. This is the structure of fish, with the head small and the tail part small. So the answer for 2 would be A, that is it has fins on the body which help it to swim and cut the currents, and the G option, that is it has a streamlined body. So there are 2 options for that. Let's go to the third option, that is the ribs. Now since we don't have the option A and option G, we'll put a strike against that. So for ribs, what would the options be? Is it that ribs have an outer skeleton, or ribs can fly in air, or ribs protect the heart, or it shows very slow movement? Well, the only answer for ribs is that it protects the heart, forming the rib cage. So the answer for third one is going to be E. The next one is snails. I explained to you about snails, that snails have the outer skeleton. So the answer is going to be for 4. Let me use a different color chalk. The answer for 4 is going to be that it has an outer skeleton and it has really slow movement. So B and F are the options for that. B and F. Let's just put a strike against those 2. The next one is cockroaches. The last option, remaining only with last option in the B column as well. So for 5th one, the answer is going to be can fly in air. So for the 5th option, we go with the C option in the B column. Now that is because the cockroaches have 2 pair of wings connected to their breast muscles which help them fly. I explained this to you in the movement of animals. But let me just repeat this whole table again to you. So for upper jaw, we went with the option of D, and that option was it is an immovable joint, because upper jaw is also known as the cranium. The next we went was the fish. Now in the fish, we went with the options A and G. The option A was that fish has fin on its body, and the option G was that it has a streamlined body. I explained to you that streamlined body is a tapering body. That means it has small head right over here, a small head and a small tail, while the rest